got an unboxing video for you, and this time it is July's edition of Glossybox. And this is what it looks like. It is absolutely beautiful. And it's the Under the Sea theme. And what's it say there? Happiness comes in waves. It is such a beautiful box. Oh! I haven't had a look inside. I was given a press release a little while ago, but unfortunately my PR box hasn't arrived. It seems to have been lost in transit possibly. So if you've seen any of my other videos, I have continued with the subscription box because I didn't know how long I was going to receive PR boxes for, and I wanted to keep it so that I could do monthly giveaways for you, or unless if I had a birthday coming up, then an extra box would come in handy as a really amazing birthday present. So this box is in fact the box I paid for it. So if you're new to Glossybox, I will give you a quick lowdown about what it is. It is a monthly beauty subscription box. You can cancel any time, and it costs £13.25. And that includes postage and packaging. And inside you get a mix of beauty items, makeup, skincare, hair, tools. Sometimes we've had chocolate bars. You also get around 5, maybe 6 items if they add in little extras in there. So quite a good box considering all the other boxes I have and all the other boxes that are out there. I think £13.25 including postage and packaging is a good box. Now I've been receiving PR boxes for the last 3 months, even though this isn't a PR box, it's my own that I've paid for, but I have been a Glossybox subscriber for over a year now, and it's one of the boxes I do look forward to receiving. I think it's because the cost and the value as well. Inside, you know, the value always way exceeds the actual cost of the box, so that's why I keep on going back to it, and I will continue. Even if my PR boxes stop, I will still continue to have a Glossybox. So let's see what's inside. Pretty inside as well. So you get a little card, and this card tells you all the information about the products inside the box, and it also gives you a sneak peek for August. So if you don't want to see it, if you want a bit of a surprise, look away now, but I'll just show it up close on the camera. I'm very excited for that actually. I love this brand. I have a few items from this brand which is there. No, I can't wait for that. It sounds really good. So it tells you the price of the items, tells you whether it's full size, sample size, and at the end of the video I like to tot it all up to give you an overall cost of what the items would all come to if you were to buy them all individually. So this side is so pretty. It always comes wrapped in a nice little tissue and a sticker and a ribbon. I'll show you first. Ooh, there you go. And as I always do, I'll just put it to the side of me and I'll grab an item, show you, have a bit of a sniff, have a bit of a read, and let's see what my thoughts are. So the first item in this box is, what's this? It's a spray. It's a seawater hairspray, and it's by Senor do Bofon. Yeah, it's a 50ml, so it might be a full size. I'm not sure. I'll have a look now. But it's a seawater hairspray. Ooh. There, that's what that looks like. Excuse my nails looking a bit orange. I've just come back from my holiday in Greece, which is lovely. You'll see videos if you're interested in the next month or two. But yeah, to prolong my fake tan, I've been doing gradual tan moisturiser, and yeah, I've got a bit of orange nails. So yeah, then it's just tan. They're not really dirty, they're just tan. So I don't want to spray it. It smells really nice. It smells nice and fruity. But yeah, sea salt sprays are lovely. If you've got thick hair, oh, they're amazing. If you've got thin hair like me, I'm wearing a halo now. This is my natural hair. You can probably see how thin it is. Ooh, it's not that great. It is not that great, but it depends on what you want to do with your hair. If I want to put it up or something and I want to create some natural waves, then yeah, I do like this, but I haven't used one for a while. So the information in the booklet says that this is actually a full-size product, and the recommended retail price is £16. And it says it's the perfect heat-free curl enhancer for that effortless, windswept, I've not even tried look. After shaking, we recommend spraying onto damp hair and twisting some strands to create more texture. You can also spritz this onto dry hair to reactivate waves and add beachy texture. Now this would have been perfect on my daughter. My daughter has got hair down to her bottom, and we've been swimming in the sea nearly every day, and we've been putting her hair in a plait because it's just easier to manage. But actually spraying this on her hair, it would have created that long-lasting sort of beachy effect. She's got it anyway because she's been in the seawater, but it's, yeah, I think it would have been really nice, you know, for more texture and stuff to add this in. But I got this box after I returned so it's a bit late there. But no, I look forward to trying it, and I think it's a nice product to put in a box, and I quite like that. Next item is a tube of something, and it's a toothpaste. Now, I'm not that keen on toothpaste in subscription boxes. I find them a little bit boring, if I'm honest, but it depends on the actual brand. It depends, not so much the brand, but it depends on the actual product and whether there's huge hype surrounding it, whether it's quite well known, if I know a little bit about it. Even if I don't, then I do like trying it, and I do tend to change my mind. It does say free sample, not for sale at the top. So we've got a sample here, and this is a 14ml, so enough for like a travel. That would have done me for a couple of days away. And it's by Regenerate Enamel Science Advanced Toothpaste. Reverse the early erosion process. Now this is good, actually. This is really good. This is something that I look for in a toothbrush. Not toothbrush, toothpaste. So I've never heard of Regenerate Enamel Science before. So what's the information say? So this is a deluxe mini size. The recommended retail price for this is £2.50, and for the full size 75ml it would cost you £10. The ingredients form a fresh supply of enamel minerals which wrap around your teeth. For the best results, use this in place of your regular toothbrush. Not toothbrush, toothpaste. Oh. So yeah, not an exciting product, but it does sound good, and yeah, I am looking forward to trying it, seeing if it makes any difference, because I don't have the best teeth, in all honesty. I do brush them regularly, obviously, and I floss, but they're not great. But yeah, toothpaste is touch and go in the beauty box. Touch and go. So the next item is really heavy. What is this? Oh, I've had this before. And well, maybe not this one. No, I haven't had this one. I have had a body moisturising foam, I think, and I can't remember. I think it's from Glossybox many months ago. This is a fizzy berry from Below, and it's 2-in-1 body spray. I love the packaging. When I tried the moisturiser, I found that the smell was absolutely gorgeous, but the product was absolutely useless. It left like a film on my skin, and it didn't absorb well, and it just wasn't nice. It just wasn't nice. So I gave it to my daughter. I don't know whether she's used it or not, but the smell on this is lovely. So what is a 2-in-1 body spray? Right, it's full size, and the recommended retail price for this is £3.99. It's like a tingly berry shower combined with a lemon spritz, very delicious. This gorgeous scent can be used as a gentle, nourishing fragrance or as a deodorant too. We love that the moisturising ingredients leave your skin feeling silky soft, and to top it off, it's vegan. Right, I can spray it on my skin. Don't know what I was thinking otherwise, but let's have a go. Ooh, it's quite watery, but oh, the smell is so lovely. Oh, it's so lovely. So it can be used as a fragrance or as a deodorant. As a fragrance, yes, I love it, but it's too sickly sweet for me. It's too strong, it's too overpowering. I would just smell like one big bag of sweets, which is nice, but I don't want to be smelling that. I do love it, but it's a sort of smell that my daughter would love to wear. And as far as a deodorant, I'm not sure, putting it under my armpits, whether that would work or not, I don't know, but I will give it a go and I'll try it out. I'm not going to do that on camera because no one wants to see my armpits on camera, even though I'm wearing a strapless top today, but we're not going to go there. But yeah, so a so-so product. The smell is stunning. I'm sure my daughter will love it. If not, then I'm sure I can find it a good home. Oh, this is pretty. What is this? It's called Inuit. I'll take it out the bag. Oh, it's a little brush. Oh, that is really pretty. Really pretty. So it's a little brush there. Really soft. Ooh. Yeah. I'm not sure what I would use that for. That's quite a precise brush, but no, that is really pretty. So it's a full-size item, and the recommended retail price is £13.20. With short, super soft bristles, it's perfect for precision contouring, bronzing and highlighting. This gorgeous addition to your makeup bag is also vegan friendly and cruelty free. Oh yeah, I would use it more for contour. £13.20. Ooh. So the next item it's an extra treat. I just had to look on the card it's an extra treat. So we've got 6 items in this month's box. So this is the extra treat, and it's a Hawaiian Tropic Dew Defense Sun Lotion with protective anti-pollution layer, and this SPF 30 helps protect against the damaging effects of sun and pollution. Oh, that sounds good. Does it have... Oh, it has 4-star UVA rating. I normally go for 5, and it's only because I've had skin cancer. I've had malignant melanoma, and it's in my family, so I'm factor 50 plus. 5-star ratings, the lot, you know. But no, I know one of my family would wear that. That's no problem. It is 4-star rating. It is high, and it is factor 30, which would be the minimum that I would want any of my members of the family to wear. Because they are darker skinned than me, but no, that might be nice on the face actually. So what does it say? That the full size for 180 ml would cost you £14.99. And it said the new sun lotion not only contains high UV protection but also includes an anti-pollution layer for Dew Defense infused with green tea extract, mango, guava, papaya and passion fruit. It instantly transports you to the tropics. Remember to apply sun lotion 20 minutes before sun exposure and reapply frequently. So that's our little added treat in there. So no, that's quite nice to put in there. And the last item is a 5-in-1 Wonder Lash Mascara by The One. By Oriflame. Oh my gosh, Oriflame. Didn't they used to do like Oriflame parties? I'm thinking when I was a kid, I mean, in the 80s? 90s? No, it must have been in the 80s, because I left home in 1993, a long time ago. And I'm sure my mum used to hold Oriflame parties, and it used to be a big, massive makeup brand. I don't think I've ever heard of it since, but no, I love the packaging. That is really, really nice. Is that upside down? It might well be. There you go. So it's black, I'm assuming, yeah. So that's the wand there. So not normally a wand I would go for. I normally tend to go for the ones you get like in Toothpaste Better Than Sex, you know, the big bristly ones, but not too massive, but quite dense bristles. These ones I find scratch my eyelids because I've got really thin eyelashes, and yeah, they tend to scratch them. But no, it's interesting. One side is short and one side is long, and it goes up in like a bump, so you can really get in there. So I love testing mascaras. You never know, never judge a brush until you try it. So no, I'm quite excited to try this, and this is a full-size item, and the recommended retail price for this is £9. It says this 5-in-1 mascara means you can leave your eyelash curlers at home because it lifts curls, volumizes, lengthens and separates. Oh wow. With a double-sided brush, we recommend lifting and sculpting lashes with the short bristles and combing with the long bristles to lengthen and define. It's no wonder one is sold every 4 seconds. Oh my gosh, I am really excited to try this now. Wow, I keep showing you it's upside down, but no. Ooh, an Oriflame product, that's amazing. So that's all the items. I'll just gather them all up, totting them all up. We've got 4 full-size items and 1 deluxe travel size item, and then we've got a freebie, so it's an extra treat. Normally you only get 5 items, so yeah, so we've got 6 this month, and it all comes to around £46–47, so way above the £13.25 box price. So no, there's some nice items in there. I think the most exciting item for me would be the mascara. I'm really excited to try that. I'm not so keen on having a toothbrush. I keep saying toothbrush, it's Toothpaste. I'm not so keen on having a Toothpaste in a subscription box, but I will give it a go, and I might be eating my words. So it sounds a good one, so I am going to give that a go. The beach spray, it's not something I use all the time, but I will try it and see if it suits my hair, but I do think it's a nice thing to add in a beauty box. And this is really cute, it's really nice, and I'm going to give that a go for contouring. This, based on the other product I tried and the strong sweetie smell, I think I might give it a go to see what it's like as a deodorant, but I think ultimately I'm going to give that to my daughter. I think she would really like that. And yeah, so I'll pop that in. I might give that to my husband or something, or use it on my face. So those are the items there. So I think a good mix, but overall not a wow box for me this month. There's a few items that I'm looking forward to, but there's some items that are a bit not too bad. But what are your thoughts? Do you like this month's box? And what are your favourite items? I'd love to know. Please let me know in the comments. Everything will be linked in the description down below. So I've got a 15% off refer a friend code. I can't remember now. It's been a while. I can't remember. I've got all these subscription boxes I've got to unbox since I come back from Italy. No, I haven't. See, I'm not talking sense. I've just come back from Greece. See? Not with it, and I'm forgetting all my information. But everything will be written down below. The links to Glossybox, the links to this month's subscription box, the link to if you want to subscribe and you want to use my code, that would be really appreciative, thank you. But everything will be down there, so click on the show more and that will bring up the description and it'll all be down there. So I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing, and if you haven't done so already, it'd be lovely if you subscribe to my channel. Got lots more videos to come, lots more unboxing videos to come and beauty reviews and things. So yeah, and don't forget to hit that notification bell as well, because I'm finding out that a lot of my subscribers don't notice my videos are coming up. So it's the algorithm thing of YouTube, unless you're regularly watching my videos, then they're not going to automatically come up. So by clicking on that bell, that helps a little bit there, I think. I'm not too sure. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.